It's season 12. Best friends. Or has this saved you? Oh wait, that saved you. This is best friends. Already one of my favourites. Steady Eddie. Terrible. The party surprise. It's okay. Push me, pull you. Terrible. Excellent Emily. Great episode. James works it out. It's my favourite. Excuse me, best friends. Excuse me. Toby's special surprise. It's gonna top 5 favorites. Don't go back. It's bad. Henry gets it wrong. Bad. Tram trouble. Bad. What is this episode anyway? It looks like Percy and the Bastard, I think. Is it? Yeah, that's probably Percy and the Bastard. So Percy and the Bastard, great episode, goes to the top 5. Gordon takes a shortcut. It goes into the top 5. Yeah, I love Gordon takes a shortcut. Okay. Excuse me. Duncan and a hot air balloon. It's okay. The Man in the Hills. Bad. Saved you. Better than excellent, Emily. It's great. I wonder what this one is. Right here. Let me have a think. Hey, wait a second. Maybe this one is Rosie's Fun Fest special, and that one is Percy and the Bastard. So Rosie's Fun Fest special is okay, and Percy and the Bastard again goes to. Hold on a sec. We got Hippopotamus. One of my favorite. Great story. Thomas and the Billboard. It's terrible. Thomas puts the brakes on. It's okay. Not great. Mountain Marvel. Great episode. So that's it. If you can't see properly, then that's a closer look.